It was Monday morning. The sun was very bright.
But Tom was still in bed.
I opened my eyes. I looked at the clock.
The clock said 9:45.
9:45. Oh no.
Tom had a job interview.
My interview is at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
In 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes.
I jumped out of bed very fast.
Tom put on his best shirt, white and clean.
Then I put on my best trousers, black and smart.
Tom looked in the mirror.
I look good. I look ready. Now, where are my keys?
Tom needed his keys. He needed his car keys.
I always put my keys on the table. Always.
The table was empty.
No keys.
Tom checked his bag.
Not in my bag.
Tom checked his jacket.
Not in my jacket.
Tom checked his pockets.
Not in my pockets.
Tom started to feel afraid.
10 minutes. I have 10 minutes. Think, Tom, think.
Tom closed his eyes. He tried to remember.
Last night. What did I do last night?
Tom thought about the night before.
I came home. It was raining.
Yes, it was raining very hard.
I opened the door. I was wet. Very wet.
Then what did you do, Tom?
I took off my coat. I put my coat on the chair.
The chair. Check the coat, Tom.
I ran to the chair. I checked the coat. Nothing.
Tom looked at the clock again.
9:49. Not good.
Tom got on his knees. He looked under the sofa.
Just a sock and some coins, no keys.
Tom ran to the kitchen.
Maybe I left them in the kitchen.
He looked next to the kettle.
Not there.
He looked in the fridge.
Why would they be in the fridge? But no, not here.
Tom looked in the fruit bowl.
An apple, a banana and… Wait, what is that?
Under the banana, something was shining.
My keys! My keys were in the fruit bowl.
But was Tom already too late?
I grabbed my keys. I looked at the clock.
The clock said 9:53.
7 minutes. I have 7 minutes.
Tom ran out of the door.
I ran to my car. I got in. I started the engine.
The car made a strange noise.
Not now, please, not now.
But the car started. Tom drove away.
I drove very carefully. Not too fast, not too slow.
Tom looked at the time on his phone.
9:57. 3 minutes.
Tom was close, very close.
I can see the building, the big glass building.
Tom parked the car.
9:58. 2 minutes.
Tom ran to the door.
I ran up the stairs. Floor 2, floor 3, floor 4.
Tom was out of breath.
I opened the door. I walked in.
A woman looked at Tom. She smiled.
You must be Tom. Right on time.
I am Tom. Hello, sorry, I am a little out of breath.
That is fine. Please sit down. Let us begin.
And so Tom sat down.
The interview went well. Very well.
Tom answered every question. He smiled. He was calm.
At the end, the woman said,
The job is yours, Tom. You start on Monday.
I could not believe it.
Tom walked out of the building. The sun was still bright.
I lost my keys. I found my keys. I got the job. What a morning.
Tom smiled all the way home.
We're now going to ask you 5 questions about the story. Listen to each question, and then you answer out loud before we reveal the answer. We will give a short pause after each question. Please pause the video if you need more time.
Question 1. What time was it when Tom looked at the clock after finding his keys?
Answer. The clock said 9:53. 9:53. Tom had 7 minutes left.
Question 2. What noise did the car make?
Answer. The car made a strange noise. A strange noise, but the car started and Tom drove away.
Question 3. How many floors did Tom run up?
Answer. Tom ran up 3 floors. Floor 2, floor 3, Floor 4. He was out of breath.
Question 4. What did the woman say when Tom walked in?
Answer. The woman said, "You must be Tom. Right on time."
Did you hear that? Right on time. That means Tom arrived exactly at the correct time. He was not late.
Question 5. Did Tom get the job?
Answer, yes. The woman said, "The job is yours, Tom. You start on Monday."
Brilliant. Tom got the job.
Excellent work, everyone.
We are going to learn some important words and phrases from the story.
We will explain each one in simple English. We will also give short example sentences.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
1. Interview.
An interview is a meeting to talk about a job. Example: I have a job interview at 10 o'clock. Example: I was on time for my interview.
2. Keys.
A key is a small, special piece of metal designed to open a door or start a car. Example: I cannot find my car keys. Example: I keep my keys in my pocket.
3. Empty.
Empty means nothing inside. Example: the table was empty, no keys. Example: the milk bottle was empty.
4. Pockets.
Pockets are small bags in your clothes. Example: Tom checked his pockets for his keys. Example: I keep money in my pocket.
5. Remember.
Remember means to bring something back to your mind. Example: Tom tried to remember what he did last night. Example: I must remember to buy bread.
6. Raining.
Raining means water is falling from the sky. Example: It was raining very hard when Tom came home. Example: It is always raining in England.
7. Strange.
Strange means not normal, not usual. Example: The car made a strange noise. Example: The sky looked strange.
8. Out of breath.
Out of breath means you are breathing very fast after running or exercise. Example: Tom was out of breath after running up 3 floors. Example: I was out of breath after riding my bicycle.
9. Right on time.
Right on time means exactly at the correct time. Not late, not early. Example: The woman said, "You must be Tom." Right on time. Example: The train arrived right on time.
10. Believe.
Believe means to think something is true. Example: Tom could not believe he got the job. Example: I believe the sun will be shining today.
Wonderful. Those are 10 useful words and phrases from the story.
Well done, everyone.
Now we are going to do some listen and repeat exercises.
After you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud. Try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm, and speed.
Let us practice together.
Sentence 1. It was Monday morning.
Sentence 2. The sun was very bright.
Sentence 3. Tom had a job interview.
Sentence 4. I always put my keys on the table.
Sentence 5. The table was empty.
Sentence 6. Tom started to feel afraid.
Sentence 7. Tom found his keys in the fruit bowl.
Sentence 8. The car made a strange noise.
Sentence 9. Tom drove very carefully.
Sentence 10. Tom smiled all the way home.
Brilliant!
Excellent work.
Now we will do some shadowing.
Listen carefully to each sentence, then repeat out loud exactly what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, tone, and speed. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. 1. I look good. I look ready. Now where are my keys?
2. Think, Tom, think.
3. It was raining very hard.
4. My keys were in the fruit bowl.
5. 7 minutes. I have 7 minutes.
6. The car made a strange noise.
7. You must be Tom, right on time.
8. The job is yours, Tom. You start on Monday.
9. I could not believe it.
10. I lost my keys. I found my keys. I got the job. What a morning!
Wonderful. You will be sounding more natural already.
Keep practicing and you will get better and better. Repetition is the key to improvement. This is your chance to speak freely. No shadowing, no repeating. Just you. Using the English you have learned today, we will give you 8 questions, followed by the answer after a short pause. Each question is based on what happened in the story. Pause the video if you need more time.
Again, try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, tone, and speed. This will help you sound a lot more natural and confident in real conversations. If you can, record your voice on your mobile phone and play it back to yourself. It can really help.
Question 1. What time did Tom wake up?
Answer: Tom woke up at 9:45.
Question 2. What was Tom looking for?
Answer: Tom was looking for his keys, his car keys.
Question 3. Where did Tom find his keys?
Answer: Tom found his keys in the fruit bowl under a banana.
Question 4. How did Tom get to the interview?
Answer: Tom drove his car.
Question 5. How many floors did Tom run up?
Answer: Tom ran up 3 floors. Floor 2, floor 3, floor 4.
Question 6. What did the woman say when Tom walked in?
Answer: The woman said, "You must be Tom, right on time."
Question 7. Did Tom get the job?
Answer: Yes, Tom got the job.
Question 8. How did Tom feel at the end of the story?
Answer: Tom felt very happy. He smiled all the way home.
Fantastic. You are thinking in English now.
Very good, everyone. And that brings us to the end of today's video.
We hope you enjoyed Tom's little adventure.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
We believe in you. You are doing a wonderful job.
For our next video, we have an exciting story for you. Don't forget to keep a lookout.
So stay with us. You will not want to miss it. In the meantime, you might want to check out our video, Caught in a Mountain Storm.
Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Cheerio, folks. Keep it up.
Bye, everyone.